So Pyro's Will Jesus 1 bringing y'all a complete fireworks stash. I'm gonna consider this part 1 because tomorrow's the 20th. That's the day all the fireworks stands open up, and it's the day I've been waiting for the past 6 months to bust these fireworks. And I tell you, them 6 months went by quick. But the store is open tomorrow, the 20th, which is Sunday. And I will be hitting up with quite a few. And might make some more orders. But I got too much here. And this is my complete fireworks stash on hand. Part 1. Give you a quick pan around. Not that much. But guess what? I'm gonna have fun. The negativity in the pyro community don't stop Will Jesus 1 for having fun. And don't think y'all on the one that get cases out here. Get them too. Yes, sir. I'm gonna have fun. Whoever else not, hey, don't be mad with me, because I'm gonna have fun. 6 of those. Got some of them. These are the truth. Got a couple of packs of these. These here the truth. I seen a couple of videos where people were talking about these was weak. Nah. If y'all had these, you know nothing weak about these. These the truth. I call these makeup killers. I was demoing some of these for the 4 to somebody who didn't believe the capability of these and forgot my girl was putting on her makeup getting ready for work. And I lit one of these and she smeared her makeup. So yeah, these the makeup killers. Concrete down there. These the truth. Absolute truth. Go always try to get these whenever I can. Think I might have to get a case of these. Stack these. These the best crackers I ever had. I also had some Jurassic crackers. And they was the truth too. They were loud just like these. These loud like these. Believe it or not. But these got a deeper boom to them. Same with these. Got some of them RGs, them freak shows, DCs, them Willows, some of them leaders, them VTs. I like this little cake. It's a banger. Never had these. And I guess this the year of the canister shells, man. I'll be out there all day with these canister shells. Will Jesus go have fun. Y'all can be mad all you want, but guess what? It don't stop my fun around here. So, stop thinking. These fireworks gonna last forever, man. They don't. So when they come out, get them, have fun, enjoy yourself, and wait on the new items to come. Stop holding on to the old fireworks, man. Stop crying. Fireworks come and go. They stop making these, they gonna make some more just like them. They stop making these, they gonna make some more just like them. So on and so forth. So when they come out, make sure your pockets deep. Mine deep. I don't do no group buys. Well, Jesus have fun, and I'm go have fun. I'm excited about these, this, these, definitely this, especially this, for sure, and these. I done seen too many videos on these, but I want to test some out myself, do a comparison to see which one is loud to me. And man, I can't wait. We'll be lighting it up tomorrow. Complete fireworks stash on hand. Part 1. I'm out.